It's the Matt and Val Early Bird Special on
Talk 99.5 Birmingham.
Good morning, everyone.
Hi, I'm Matt Murphy. Here's John Birdie's fired.
Folks, here's the situation this morning. We were going to go to do Facebook Live, and normally it's Matt and his phone, and he realized that his phone... Wait, let me turn this... his phone is down there. So, he's had to go downstairs. Oh, there is Matt. There's the alter ego Matt Murphy
Yes,
right there.
good morning, everybody. Good morning. Whew. Boy, I just flew in from Helena and my arms are tired. That's more of that biting wit. I'm from Matt Murphy. My beard itches.
All right, let's see where he is.
It's a good thing I wasn't stuck in there.
Matt.
I'm begging for help. I'm watching you.
So you found your phone?
Yeah,
Very good.
and my coffee.
And his coffee.
I'm all out of sorts, fella. Out of sorts.
The best